ones. Today I'm going to be talking to you about patterns in a hundreds chart. We've looked at patterns in a hundreds chart before, and we've noticed a few things. Like, for example, here on my hundreds chart, I see that some of the columns are colored in orange, and some of the colors some of the columns are colored in yellow. And we have talked about that in class before, and we noticed that all the yellows are the even numbers, or the numbers that we say when we're counting by twos. And all the orange is the ones digits. And also counting by twos, but this time starting on 1 instead of 2. There's all kinds of different ways to count patterns in a hundreds chart. So today I'm going to talk to you about how to find the ones digit, first of all, when we're looking at a number. So I'll just remind you, using the number 34, that the ones digit is on this side of the number. Okay, and it's this one right here. This number right here on this side, that's the tens. All right, and we know that we can look at these two different number digits separately in the number. Number 34 is made out of 3 tens and 4 ones. So if I were to look at my hundreds chart, I can see that up till the number 10, these are called our single digit numbers, and they're actually all ones. There are no tens in these numbers. Okay, and then when we get to the 2-digit numbers, there's our ones right here on this side. So I like to underline all the ones because then I can see them really clearly. And then I usually just circle my tens, and then that helps me to keep that number separate, that digit. Okay, so if I were to look at all my yellow numbers and looking at just the ones place, I would say to myself 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, that's only the 0 that's in the ones place, so I would only say 0. And then I can see in the next row it starts again. So I'm not going to look at it as 12, I'm only looking at that ones digit. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And then if I look at the orange numbers, I would say to myself 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And then when I get to 11, I would just say 1. And then 3, and then 5. Again, only looking at the ones place. So today in your book, you're going to be focusing on finding patterns, but then looking at the ones digit to see what kind of patterns are happening in the ones digit. So right now, by looking at the hundreds chart, I can tell that all the yellow numbers have either 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 in their ones place. And all the orange numbers have either 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 in the ones place. And that continues all the way down our hundreds chart. So it's fun to look for these patterns. And I hope you have fun today looking for your ones digit and finding patterns.